have a little surprise. I think you're gonna like this, but first you have to be open to something different.
I see rice. What is it?
That's what they call sushi, mi amor. Taco.
Ah, like a taco?
Hay un restaurante en el centro que está buscando un asistente de cocina.
Un restaurante.
Osaka.
Horchata.
Osaka.
You're a woman. Why would you want to work up here?
See? I knew it. This is because I'm a woman. You know I can do this job just as good as any man.
You want to become sushi chef? You go try another restaurant. Not here. It is not a job for you.
Ándale, pa. A veces pienso que pues a ti como que te hace contento nada más estar trabajando así nomás, pero no teniendo éxito en nada. Come.
Contestants, remember to put your hands up when you are done. In 3, 2, 1.
I'm trying to have an opportunity like everyone else. I deserve an opportunity like everyone else.